friends joined us to do the coronavirus activity. So let's introduce one by one. As you all know our old friend. Okay. The boy who is wearing red t-shirt.
My name is Johan.
Hi Johan. And the girl who is wearing orange t-shirt. Hi Atulya. And the boy who is wearing white sweater. Okay, welcome to you all. So, today let's do some action to make coronavirus go away, run away from us. Okay, are you all ready? So, what's there in your hand? There is a ribbon and cutout of coronavirus wearing mask and glue stick. Yes, are you all ready to do the activity? Open the ribbon wider. So all of you have opened the ribbon widely, isn't it? Now open the glue stick lid. Open it and yes, that's so nice, isn't it? Now you can wear it. Like this you wear. Yes, it's so nice. Now all these children have finished with the activity. And are you all ready to sing the coronavirus song? So let's start. Okay. Spiky Corona.
Spiky Corona.
Go away.
Go away.
Don't dare to
Don't dare to
come in a way.
come in a way.
We are wearing
We are wearing
mask
mask properly.
We are washing
We are washing
hands thoroughly.
hands thoroughly.
Spiky Corona.
Spiky Corona.
Go away.
Go away.
Don't dare to
Don't dare to
come in a way.
come in a way.
We are maintaining distance.
We are maintaining distance.
We are staying safe at home.
We are staying safe at home.
Spiky Corona.
Spiky Corona.
Go away.
Go away.
Don't dare to
Don't dare to
come in a way.
come in a way.
Yes, that was a very nice song along with your action. Okay, children?
Now, these children are going to tell some safety measures one by one.
Hi friends. Put soap or sanitizer and wash your hands thoroughly and maintain social distance.
Yes, thank you.
Hi friends, wear your mask properly, close your mouth and close your nose properly.
Yes, thank you.
Hi friends, don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth.
Yes, thank you, Himat. See?
Stay safe at home and don't go out. Thank you.
Thank you, Viva. Start.
Be safe at home. Thank you.
Thank you, friends.